The retrial of former UC officer Ray Tensing is just days away now, and there are a few new elements in this second trial. But some things remain the same.
That's right. When a mistrial was declared in November, 9 on Your Side's Tom McKee shows us how both sides have prepared for this second trial.
The charges against Ray Tensing are the same: murder and voluntary manslaughter. His legal team is intact, but there'll be a new judge, new prosecutors, and of course a new jury. I asked a number of prominent attorneys how they think the case against the former UC police officer is going to go.
By reason of your inability to reach a verdict, I declare this case a mistrial.
That November ruling from Judge Megan Shanahan set the stage for the retrial. Former Judge Norbert Nadel views it this way.
It's like seeing a movie for the second time. They know what's coming. They've seen it before. They've read the transcripts.
Leslie Giz is now the trial judge overseeing a case with national implications. Prosecutors Seth Teager and Stephanie DeGraffenried are both new to the proceedings but experienced trial attorneys. They'll use Tensing's body camera video to continue the claim that Sam DuBose was murdered by Ray Tensing.
Prosecutors should be presenting a straightforward case without a lot of flair, presenting the facts and just calling it as it is.
Anytime I've had a second trial or a retrial, it's always good to have someone else read your transcripts, kind of give you feedback on what you can improve on.
The defense team is the same, with Stu Matthews at the point. He'll use that same video to claim Tensing was being dragged and feared for his life when he shot DuBose.
I'm sure he's picked up on some things that he thought were strengths in his case in the first time, and some things that he perceived that were strength of the prosecutor or weaknesses in his case.
I think the defense wants to leave questions on the board for the jury to say, well, the state didn't really tell us this, or the state didn't really show that.
But it's the new 12 men and women in the jury box that are going to be the key to conviction, acquittal, or a mistrial.
And it's my belief and opinion, just my opinion, that we may have another mistrial.
I think the state of Ohio will have a very difficult time getting 12 people to agree.
It would be insane to try to predict what a jury is looking at. You never know what they find important.
I asked members of the DuBose family to comment for this story, but they politely declined, saying they don't want to do any interviews before the retrial begins. Tom McKee, 9 on Your Side at the Hamilton County Courthouse.
Tom.